consisting of code number was designed, and we are transmitting the data through wireless medium, and data is displayed on the LCD display in the corresponding classroom or lecturer hall or some other places. The transmitter side is the principal room, and he can send the message whatever he wants to inform to this college staff or student using PC or mobile, and the transmitted message is received through the GSM modem. Then the received message is displayed on the LCD screen, and at the same time alarm will be heard. This system consists of one transmitter and one receiver. This system consists of one transmitter and many receivers. The transmitter is placed in principal room. The receiver are kept in various classes. The thing behind the scheme is to provide an easy and simple way of message transmission to various classes and departments. It is based on the use of new technologies to improve circular system in colleges. Our research is mainly focused to reduce manpower and time consumption. The distribution of message in the current system involves that anyone can send message. So there may be a chance of receiving fake messages. It may create some problem on receiving that message. To avoid this critical situation, only the principal's phone number, who has the authority, is programmed to the hardware. This system takes only that phone number, and it allows displaying the message on the LCD display. If the message is sent from other number, it will not get displayed. The messages to be displayed to various classes are sending through GSM. At a time, the message can be delivered to many classes where the message is displayed on the LCD screen. In other cases, if the message is to be displayed only to a particular class, separate messages is created and sent through the class based on the code number given to the classes. It is used in urgent situation when the information is to be forwarded. At a time, maximum of 160 characters are sent. Separate connection with the different departments in order to call particular staff or the department staff if the meetings are arranged. Nowadays, messages are to be displayed in digital format. This project is used to mainly display the message in separate classrooms and even group of classrooms. Suppose the same message is to be displayed in the classroom or department, then we have to go there with a laptop and change the message by connecting it to the display board. We are designing a new display system which we can access remotely, thus utilizing GSM technology. For every message received, the system will check for the source number, and if the source number is correct, the controller will display the message. The future improvement can be made in this project is message can be stored, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi can be used.
தலையோட சேர்த்து இதுக்கு வேற துக்கம் ஒன்று